Alright, welcome to Angels AI. Hello, universe. And we were in the previous class. We were stuck at here that why this image is what we can say it is repeating. So what we have to do to learn today is that there is another attribute or CSS property which is known as background repeat. Alright, and so background repeat can have numerous values like repeat x, repeat y, and no repeat or just repeat. Okay, so there are a lot of values. For now, we are just going with no repeat so that we can see the instant thing that the images are stopped while repeating. Why does the image repeat actually? Because when the image size is not completely as the element you want to put the background for, so then you cannot actually force the image to get bigger for you as you have not mentioned any size for this image. So that is why this what we can say, this image repeats itself to fill the full background or fill the whole element. Alright, so what if I instead of using no repeat, what if I use repeat x and save? As you can see, it has only repeated itself in horizontal and not in the vertical way. As you can see, there is no any image repeated over here. What if I, instead of using this x, but repeat that y? As you can see now, the image has moved downwards. So that is the what you can say, the difference between this thing. Okay, alright, so that was it for this video, and we'll explore more in the next one. Thank you for watching this.